Condition monitoring data can come from a variety of different sources and be exported from laboratories or external applications in many different formats. The Observation and Results Import module in Trakka 4.0 has been designed as a flexible template for you to easily import data from any source and send it straight to the right step in the Trakka workflow. The Observation and Results Import module can be found under the list of imports in the Site Administration section. Before importing data, you will need to select its observation type from the drop-down at the top left of the Import module. You will notice that the displayed columns will update accordingly. For example, columns specific to fluid analysis, such as Lab Batch ID and Lube Drained, are not required for other observation types. You should also check the Connection Method option to let Trakka know whether you want to identify components using their Tracker ID or a user-defined connection code. If connection codes are used and Trakka does not recognize a particular code, then the observation will be routed to Inbox 1 for manual connection to a component. Once the observation type is selected, simply click on the Open button and locate the CSV file containing the observations to be imported. The observations will be loaded into the grid, and any data errors will be highlighted with a red cross to the left of the row. Note the Send to Inbox column is very important, as it determines whether each observation should be sent to the inboxes area for review, or just straight to history with no further processing required. Once you have removed or corrected any data errors, and checked the Send to Inbox column, it is time to import your observations. Just click on the Import button. You can follow the progress of your import by checking the log messages underneath the Import module grid. Along with the columns that are visible when you first open the Import module, your import file can also include indicator columns to store detailed observation results. These column names just need to match the indicators that have been set up for the observation type on your site. You can also include one or more attachments with each observation. These could be images, videos, reports, spreadsheets, or any other type of file that supports or supplements the results, and will be displayed with the observation in the Results and Trends modules. To include attachments, simply provide the file names in the Attachments column, separated by a semicolon if there is more than one. The same file can be attached to multiple observations, for example, a lab report that contains details of all the observations being imported.